Hey there, it's Kathy here at Terrace Honda, and I have a brand new 29 Honda Odyssey, the LX model in. I would like to share with you. We see a lot of advertising geared towards, the higher end, particularly the touring model, and all of the fancy features and the really cool technology that it has. But a lot of us maybe can't afford or don't want, a really high-end model, especially if we have little kids and, maybe not the budget for it. So what do you get with an LX or the basic model? And I'm going to show you here. So the Honda Odysseys were redesigned in 2018. Of course, they've kept that new look, sleeker, more modern. You have things like your proximity key. Even the basic one here comes with a proximity key. You touch the handle, it unlocks. You can hear that and unlocks. You have remote start from the factory. And of course, when you get in, you have button start, which is very handy. You're not always digging for, keys in your purse or pockets or whatever. Same thing when you get out. Now, some of the other features that happen to be in the new ones, and we all want to know, of course, about the motors. What sort of engine do you get? Well, you have a V6 with variable cylinder management, 280 horsepower, and you have 8 seats. Or the option for 8 seats in all of them. The center one pops out and you can slide those seats on the side back to one side or the other, which gives you easier access if you have people getting into the back. And you have a lot of technology even for a basic model, and we'll get into that in a minute. But you have things like your dual zone climate control, so your back and front, you can sync it and control everything. You have things like a power driver's seat, which is handy if you're doing a lot of traveling, especially. It's nice to be comfortable. You have options like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which, if you're familiar with either of those features even a little bit, is hugely handy for using the technology on your phone. You have things like USB ports that you can charge things in out of sight, a nice big console, and technology like the cabin control app, which means that you can actually control the temperature from your phone. Now, the safety technology, this is where a lot of people want to know what goes on with it, vehicle. And the safety technology, you have your road departure alerts, you have your crash mitigation systems, but there's other ones too. You have side curtain airbags with rollover sensing. Of course, you have knee airbags up for the driver at the front. You've got forward collision warning. You have a tire pressure monitoring system, which is handy, not necessarily a safety feature, but it's certainly worth mentioning. And you have a system for actually filling it up to the proper pressure as well. Let's see, what else do we have here? Basically, you are looking at a vehicle that has a lot of comforts, even for a basic model. And I'm going to get out here and show you. Now, you don't have the power sliding doors on this model, but they are super easy to open and slide open and shut. Take a look here on the side. This here, when you pop that middle seat out, allows you to really easily slide the seats back and forth. You've got drink cup holders handy, and of course there's lots of room and more drink holders in the back seats as well. And you always get good size cargo space with your Odysseys. The amount of space you have for extra sports gear, groceries, and the ability to just fold those seats right in flat to the floor is super, super handy. I hope that helps. Of course, there's a lot more features to the Honda Odysseys, even the LX. But if you're in the market for, you know, a new vehicle or need to upgrade, your family's gotten bigger, your needs have changed, give me a call or stop in here at Terrace Honda. You're welcome to email me at any time, of course, and or just message me here on Facebook or wherever it is you see this video. And I'm happy to, you know, help you out and try and answer any of your questions. You have a great weekend, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.